Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I'm going to do an acrylic pour in this video, but first, I had promised her that when I got the package from her, I would open it on camera. This is from Wanda's artwork. I won this in her giveaway the other day, and I figured it had a tape somewhere. There it is. I don't want to cut the painting, but I want to be very, very careful with opening it. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, but I got it today, so I'm surprised. Ah, a little note. And it's signed on the back, Wansuto. I'm not sure what that stands for. Let's see what the little card says. Always read the card before you open up a package. Thank you so much for watching and commenting. Also, thanks for being so kind. I appreciate that. I hope you like this one, Wanda. Well, let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. Let me see if I can get a close-up. Oh, Wanda, thank you so much. Trying to keep the glare off of it too. So anyway, okay, I'm going to stop the camera and I will be back in a few with my mixed paints and I will pour something for you and you're going to be surprised by what I do. Okay, I'll be right back. I wanted to show you this before I started pouring on it. This is how I prep the back of my canvases. This is the Glad Press and Seal, and then all I do is I take some tape and I just go over the edge of the press and seal and I go and I tape it down with the tape being right up against it. Reason I do this is because I don't want paint goop inside the canvas from my fingers. I'm going to put some push pins in and I will be back in a few more minutes with my colors because I'm doing an acrylic pour, so I'll be right back again. And I'm back and I got all my colors mixed. What I ended up mixing for this, I'm going to do an infinity pour. That's what I didn't tell you. A mixed media girl her daughter invented it. Okay, right here I have got Pearl White Metallic by Folk Art. The next one is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen Sapphire. And then this one's going to be divided between both cups for the infinity pour. This is the 24 karat gold extreme sheen. The next one is the Sequin Black Metallic by Folk Art. These will all be listed down in the description. And the last one is this one, which is the Ruby Deco Art Extreme Sheen. This was a 24 by 12 by 24 inch canvas. Now it's a deep one, so I hope I got enough to cover all the sides. I don't have the sides taped off. Okay, I'm going to do 2 cups. Okay, basically, it's like a wax on, wax off. I've never done it before, so I do know that they got to overlap somewhere in the middle. So I can't really pinch these cups because they're plastic. But here we go. Okay, I need to get that going a little faster coming out of the cup. And then I've seen Mixed Media Girl kind of go willy-nilly at the end, but I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, pretty in the cups. Okay, I'm going to let it sit for a minute. I am going to torch it just a little bit, just to get rid of the bubbles, because I just mixed all this paint. There's no silicone in any paint. Okay. Now I don't want it to run off the edge yet. I kind of want it to get it to cover the canvas. I'm going to make sure I got enough to cover the whole canvas. I may have to put some Floetrol on the ends to help the rest of the paint go down there. I am loving these colors together. Now I'm going to tilt to this corner. Trying to make sure I'm keeping it in camera as I'm tilting. Let me see if I can get a little bit more down to that corner. Okay, now I need to worry about this corner down here, but I can see where the weight of the paint is at. Okay, I can feel it going over the edge. Let me see if I can get it over. Ah, now it's all slippery. Okay, I need that corner done. And I need those two corners to get done. I got a lot of paint while I got it up in the air. Let me touch that. Oh, I am absolutely loving this. I don't know if it was her or her daughter that invented it, but I'm in love with this. And I don't do many acrylic pours, but I wanted to try this. Okay, there we go. Oh, see? Almost dropped it because it's so slick. Okay. Let me see if I can get a little bit right here to help that go over the edge, and a little bit of flow aid with this over here. It's kind of mud, but it's hopefully going to drip down the side. Okay, there we go. I hope you can, yep, I can see it, so you must be able to see it. Okay. I don't think I'm going to do much more to it. I do know that I'm going to need to touch up my sides and my corners, but that's okay. I wish I had one of my palette knives out to do this, but my fingers work just fine. I mean, oh, see, I didn't get this corner right here. So, down in the comments, let me turn this around. Tell me what you think. I'm not an acrylic pourer by nature. I normally do resin. So, I'm trying to learn how to manipulate acrylic paint. So tell me what you think of it down in the comments, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'll bring it in for a close-up in a minute. I am just trying to touch up these sides. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click the little bell for the notifications, and make sure when you do click that bell to click all. You're going to get 3 choices, and click all, so then that way you'll be notified every time I have a video uploading. And right now I'm uploading one a day, so there's quite a few of them. You don't have to watch them all. I realize that's a lot for people who are trying to work and take care of a family, but watch what you can, you know. Oh, and don't forget to give it a like if you liked it. Make a comment, tell me what you think. This is the infinity pour. Yeah, it's getting a little muddy right here, but I'm just trying to cover up the white. And let me get that corner right there. And as far as I can tell, I will torch it one more time when I've got my gloves off. I don't want to take my gloves off because I know the bottom is all covered in paint too. So let me bring it in for a close-up. This is the left side. I'm digging these red and black cells over here. This is the middle, and then this is, oh, come on, this is the right side over here. So tell me what you think down in the comments. I love the fluid arts right out of you, okay? Because I don't only do resin, I do some acrylics. I'm trying to get better at them. So I hope to see you in my next video. Join me live every oops, I didn't mean for that to happen. Join me live every Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Central. I usually do resin on that night, but join just to join in the fun with the rest of my squad, the DFD squad, which our squad goals are make art. So I hope to see you in the next video. All I can say is bye for now.